This is a tax return from 2020. You cannot open it with the 2024 software. You must find the 2020 version of TurboTax to amend or view this return. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you where to look. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic TAX2020 file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. A TAX2020 file is a data file created by TurboTax 2020, Intuit's tax preparation software. It contains all the information entered by the user while preparing their 2020 tax return, including income, deductions, credits, and other relevant financial data. This file is used to electronically file the tax return with the IRS or to print a paper copy for mailing. The TAX2020 file format is proprietary to Intuit and is designed to securely store sensitive financial information. It likely employs encryption and data compression techniques to protect the user's data. The file structure is optimized for efficient access and retrieval of tax-related information within the TurboTax 2020 software. The file is not intended to be opened or edited directly outside of TurboTax. The core professional tool for handling the TAX2020 format is TurboTax 2020 from Intuit, Inc. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows identifies the file type, but not the internal content, which must be opened in the right software. We are performing a quick elimination test. Right-click the TAX2020 file and choose Open With. If TurboTax 2020 is present, test it now. If not, choose another application. One of them is the key. When a TAX2020 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the TAX2020 format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, install the correct software year. Tax files are not backward compatible. You must have TurboTax 2020 installed to read the tax logic embedded in this file. Next, update the program. Tax laws change mid-season. Ensure TurboTax is updated to the latest patch level to prevent calculation errors or read failures. Finally, use PDF backup. If the Tax 2020 file is corrupted, check your Documents folder for a PDF export, which contains the visual representation of the forms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.